Ready to turn your Shopify store into a sales-generating machine with the power of Google Ads? Let's dive right in first. Head over to Google Ads and create a new campaign. Select your goal, usually sales for Shopify stores, and choose search as the campaign type to target users actively searching for your products. Now for the crucial part, keyword targeting. Think like your customer. What would they type into Google to find what you're selling? Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to discover high-potential keywords with decent search volume and manageable competition. Focus on specific keywords related to your products. Next, craft irresistible ad copy. Your headline should grab attention and include your target keywords in the description. Highlight the key benefits of your product and include a clear call to action, like shop now or learn more. Test different ad versions to see what resonates best with your audience. Finally, set up conversion tracking. This is essential in Google Analytics. Link your Shopify store and your Google Ads account, then create conversion goals linked to purchases on your site. Tracking your conversions lets you see exactly which keywords and ads are driving sales, so you can optimize your campaigns for maximum raw happy selling.